Hey there, today I have this dual-sided flag holder that was sent over to me from the brand, and this has some really great features on it, including these clips that will hold the flags in place. So let's take a closer look at it. Here's an up-close look at the arm of the flag stand. These pieces right here are plastic, but then the actual pole is metal, and it's coated in this black paint. This is the top portion of your flagpole. So again, the metal tube and then the T-top for a tube on each side. On the T portion of that, there are two tiny holes, one on either side, and it does come with a screwdriver and a couple small screws, and that will help keep those arms in place. So we also have some clips and clamps that are going to do a really nice job of keeping those flags in place so they're not flipping over the bars. So these will clip the flag down at the top. Then we have these clamps here. When they're pulled down, they'll open up and then they will close and clamp on that flag to keep it up against the pole, and they attach with these Velcro straps. So we've got some nice spikes to hold it in the ground. It does open up, so you've got 3 on the side and 1 in the center. This goes right over the top, and then it screws together with this one. Screw together the top piece. I really think this is a good flag for a garden or by your mailbox or wherever you think is best for you. I definitely like that it's nice and tall and that the pieces go together super easy. The clips on the top of the flag to hold it down as well as on the side are both really nice, because a lot of times we have flags that will like to turn up or the other direction. I did find for me that it was easier to take the flags and put them through the posts before inserting those, as opposed to trying to get it over the little hook here, because they did want to get caught on that. I'm okay with that because that means it's not going to fly off here either. If you are looking for a new addition to your garden or mailbox, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.